Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we will discuss about how to earn money with Google Ads. We will discuss about how to earn money in affiliate marketing with Google Ads. So basically, in Google Ads, we promote our affiliate products to get more sales as we can. So you can get maximum sales in affiliate marketing. So let's start. First of all, you need to join an affiliate network. So I will recommend you to many networks. Like I am personally working with Digistore 24. So here is affiliate marketing network in Germany. So here you can see that they are saying that more sales, less work, and they are saying that for the advanced marketer, Digistore is an online sales platform that offer you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment method, and accurate automatic delivery text automation. Basically, it's an affiliate marketing. So you need to join this. So basically, I have account of this. So I am logging right now. They are saying that your email password. So that I said that I already have an account. So I log into that. So now you can see that I already have some money in my account. You can see that I earn more than $500. Here you can see that I will earn $648 in that store. So affiliate marketing is not huge from others. So after creating Digistore account, click on marketplace. So here you can see that offers which you want to promote. First offer is Magic Cure, second offer is the Ultimate Keto Meal, and third one is YouTube Mastery Monetization Course, third one is Jenny Script, and fifth one is Crypto Quantum. Basically I am promote Metacore offer and I will get $137 per sales. So basically we have to promote this link, this special link. If someone bought from this special link, then we get sales. So where you can promote your link, you can get create landing page and promote your products with Google Ads. So in next video I will tell you that how to create account in Google Ads and how to set up your landing page. So I hope you will like this video. So please like, share my channel with other. Thank you.